Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm LeetCoder, and today we have a pretty interesting topic for you guys, man. We're gonna be going over how to use LeetCode effectively, right? So I know a lot of you guys might be curious on how to use it effectively. So a lot of beginners, especially, right? So I'm making this video to help you guys out. All right, so let's get into it, guys. Um, so today, man, yeah, you can see we're on LeetCode.com right now. So this is how the platform looks like. So what is LeetCode? Right? LeetCode is a platform that people use, right, to level up their skill set, right? Especially when it comes to coding interviews, guys. What I'm saying, it helps you all in so many ways. Pretty much it has a lot of different problems, guys. What I'm saying, they're organized in a lot of very cool ways, guys, to kind of help you maximize your time practicing for your coding interviews, guys. So when I first started, right, it was, extremely useful. What I'm saying, yeah, guys. So pretty much, so you could see, as you can see, right, we got, normally, you see, there's like a lot of different entries, right? I'm saying for different problems, right? And you see they have an acceptance, right, column, a difficulty column, right, and then they have a frequency column as well, guys. I'm saying to show you how frequent they are. So you might not see this. It might be grayed out, right, for a lot of you guys if you guys don't have LeetCode Premium, guys. So I would recommend. I'll make a separate video on that actually, if you guys should get it or not. All right. So let me see. So you can see, so right now, when you first start out, right now, I'm saying you need to start off with easy problems, guys. So easy problems are a very, very good way for you to kind of start gaining confidence, guys, in your abilities to solve data structure and algorithm problems, guys. So so the way that I would, yeah, so pretty much, I do easy problems, right? But from what list, right? So if let's say, I'm not interviewing for any company right now, right? I'm just doing LeetCode because, I'm planning on doing LeetCode. I mean, planning on interviewing around like, a year from now, right? So I got time on my hands. So I would pretty much start off with top interview questions, guys. What I'm saying. So let's say if I don't have time, right, and I need to, get started ASAP, I would start solving company specific. So if let's say I'm interviewing for Amazon, right, I would I'll go to Amazon and then start doing problems from there, right? And then if I'm doing Google, I would do the same, or Facebook, or whatever company, right? What I'm saying. So let's say I got time on my hands, right? I got a little bit of time to trying to get myself, acclimated to the whole legal thing. I'm saying, because it's yeah. So I would click on the top interview question, guys. So those are pretty much a good set of interview questions, guys. I'm saying. So as you can see, I did most of them, guys. So they're very, very good, because when I first started, that's the problem set that I stuck with. What I'm saying, and it really, really helped me level up on a lot of ways, right? So pretty much what you do, right, once you click on it, you click on the difficulty level. No, pretty much what I would do, I would use the tag, right? I'm saying, so I'll click on easy first, right? I'm saying, and then sorted by the high acceptance rate, guys. I'm saying, which is extremely, extremely important. All right. So sorted by high acceptance rate pretty much allows me to solve pretty much the easiest of the easiest problems, guys. So those problems are extremely easy. I'm saying very, very good for beginners. I'm saying most of the time, right? So always go for the highest acceptance rate possible, right? That means that most people are able to pass the edge cases. I'm saying, so nothing too tricky. It's kind of straightforward, right? Regular people can do it. What I'm saying. So I would start off with those, right, and kind of gain my confidence. What I'm saying, start to say, oh my gosh, this is not too bad at all. I can't do this, right? Once you start getting confidence, right, you do them right, do all of them pretty much. What I'm saying, and then, guys, what I'm saying, you should be pretty set, right? And then I would work my way into the medium ones, right? So start doing the medium ones, right? And then the same thing, you sort it by the highest acceptance rate, guys. So you do them, right? So those would teach you a lot of different different concepts, guys. What I'm saying. So and you'll see a lot of those problems, guys. What I'm saying, are obviously made up of easy problems. What I'm saying. And yeah, and they kind of teach you, so pretty much you putting concept on top of concepts, right? So yeah, this is a very good set, guys. You can see I did almost all of them, right? So you're gonna learn a lot from those different problems that you do, right? So pretty much a good bang for your buck, right? I'm saying, especially, yeah, it's a very good set, and I like it a lot. And yeah, so pretty much do as much as you can, right? I'm saying, from high acceptance rate to low acceptance rate, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it should be in pretty good shape. And after, if you still got time on your hands, right? I'm saying yeah, you work your way into the hard ones, right? You pretty much do the same thing, right? You sort it by high acceptance rate, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, all of those things questions are pretty hard, guys, you know what I'm saying? And I would not do too much of them, right? So I would stuck with, trying to do as many medium as possible, right? From that list, guys, you know what I'm saying, do as many medium questions as possible. And yeah, so that's what I would do. So let's say, I'm gonna take off the tags, right? Let's say, I want to get better at a particular topic, right? So, say I'm good with arrays and stuff like that, right? So pretty much what I'm good with arrays, right? So I want to work on my let's say trees, right? I'm saying, so I would click on the tags and then click on trees, and yeah, start doing tree problems, guys. I'm saying, trying to make sure that I'm covered in that topic. I'm saying, so those lists, guys, pretty much you'll be covered for trees. I'm saying, because they have a lot of different ones. So I'm saying, pretty much all the different kind of concept that you could have for trees pretty much could be covered by doing those problems, guys. I'm saying depth first search, breadth first search. I'm saying, yeah, covered from the looks of it, though. So what I would do next, right? So let's say, let me go back to the home page. So you do all those problems, right? You do easy mediums, right? You do mostly a lot of mediums. I'm saying as many mediums as possible. Don't do a lot of hard ones. I'm saying mediums. I'm saying you stuck your way into, you make sure that you master that, right? So the next thing so let's say, now you interview for a company, right? I will click on whatever company, what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? And then it's loading, guys. Yeah, so click on that, and then you sort it by, so the way that I would do this one, right? You sort it by frequency, right? You know what I'm saying? And then do so work my way down, right? Do the easies and mediums first, right? I'm saying, and then if I encounter any hard ones, right, along the way going down, right, I wouldn't worry about them. So I'm saying I would only do them last, guys. I'm saying, because the hard ones, they take a lot of time, guys, and they're gonna take you forever to finish, guys. So yeah, pretty much that. Yeah, rinse and repeat. So pretty much you work your way down. I would skip this one. Boom. I would do this one, right? Easy, right? I would do search. I would do that. What I'm saying, keep working my way down, right? So let's try to get the most bang for my buck, guys. What I'm saying, I don't have much time to waste. Yeah, so that's what I would do, right? So as you're doing the problems, right? So how can you do the problems, right? So pretty much, guys, the way that you should go about it, guys. So you start doing the problem and click on it, right? You start doing the problems. You read the problem statement and you try to solve it for about 20 to 30 minutes, right? Max. And if you still can't solve it, right? You know what I'm saying? What I would recommend for you guys to do is pretty much go to the discussion section, guys. So go to the discussion, right? And then you see what other people are doing, right? I'm saying, for this particular problem. So pretty much go to most votes, right? Pretty much those are the solutions, right, that have the most vote for that particular problem, right? So you click on it, click on the first one, like the first few ones, pretty much see which ones that you like, guys, which one makes sense to do. There's a lot of them, and yeah, there's a lot of different ones, guys. So this guy has a pretty good one as the top solution. And yeah, And pretty much I would look at Java. Yeah, I would pretty much look at the how he solved it, right? I'm saying, see, okay, this is what he's doing. I make sure that I understand the concept. So I'm saying exactly what he's doing. I'm not trying to memorize the solution. I'm trying to see his thought process, right? I'm saying, so, oh, okay. Then you kind of see what he's doing. You see the logic, what he's trying to do, right? Then you make sure that you understand the concept so that when you're making, when you encounter other problems just like this one, you're able to still solve it, right? So pretty much you understand the concept, and then from the logic, right, you go back, right, and try to implement it yourself. You know what I'm saying, try to do it yourself and see if you can solve the question, right? No, not based on memorization, but based on, I'm saying, understanding of the underlying concept that you need to solve this question, guys. So I'm saying that's what the key thing that you need to do. And then pretty much write that question down, right, and then come back to it a few days after and see if you can still solve it, guys. So I'm saying, so by that, what I'm saying, you can really make sure that you really understood the solution, right, not just memorize it, right? So let's say I can't really solve this question, right? I'm saying I still don't understand the logic from the discussion section, right, which is, you know, probably one of the best resources ever, guys. I'm saying still can't do it, right? I would pretty much look it up. But let me put this right so you guys can see it. I will look up the question, right, on Google. I'm saying, and then it's gonna bring me pretty much to a YouTube video, right, which you need.
I should file a claim.
I'm saying you go to the YouTube video, right, and you pretty much watch whatever logic that they're doing. So that's exactly what I do. That's kind of my process that I do every time, right? So I go to the discussion section, right? Try to see if I can understand the solution. I can understand it, right? I go to YouTube, watch a video about it, right? I'm saying, see what they're doing. I'm saying, there's a lot of people that have LeetCode solution on YouTube. I'm saying, you go in there, learn about it. I'm saying, and then guys, once you learn about it, right, you're pretty much set. And then you go back to the question, and you solve it yourself. I'm saying, you try to do it yourself. So that's kind of my walkthrough. So go to YouTube, watch the video, understand the solution now based on the drawings. I'm saying, a lot of different stuff, right? Good explanation, right? I'm saying, you find the person that can really help you understand pretty much, right? So you watch this and then you go back and then you set, guys. I'm saying, so that's kind of my workflow. Go to the discussion section, read, try to implement. I don't get it, go to YouTube, I get it, then come back and implement it, right? I'm saying, and rinse and repeat, guys. So yeah, man. So one of the very, very good, let's say, you really reach short on time, guys. So one of the best lists that I would recommend, guys, is definitely the blind 75 list, guys. What I'm saying, so it's on LeetCode as well. What I'm saying, this is a very, very good, guys. She's probably one of the best lists that you could probably do, guys. What I'm saying, in my opinion, I'm saying it's a very curated list, guys, which can help you a lot, guys. And it also has the patterns that I be referencing on this channel a lot, guys, which is trying to understand the different patterns out there, right? Which they have a sliding window, the 2-pointer technique, guys. I'm saying the fast and slow pointers. So pretty much everything that I've mentioned on this channel, guys, I'm saying I get it from there, guys. So a very, very good long thing, guys. I recommend you guys get in there. So I'm gonna leave that in the the description, right? You guys go click on it and you guys could check that out. Highly, highly recommend to you guys, right? Yeah, so after you do that, so pretty much, man, it's gonna take some time, like I said. So recap, do easy problems first, right? I'm saying, do easy problems, work your way into mediums, spend most of your time on medium problems, right? Try to get as many mediums as possible, and then time permits, you start doing hard problems, guys. I'm saying, you really master the medium problems, so the hard problems are pretty much going to be composed of medium problems, right? A bunch of medium problems in one question, right? So I'm saying you'll be covered either way, so I wouldn't worry about it too much. Because doing hard problems, guys, you're gonna spend a lot of time on it, right? And it's only one problem, and probably take you a whole day, right? And if you were to do a lot of mediums, you could probably get a lot more mediums in, right? And yeah, the ones and then easy ones, right? Sometimes they're pretty good too, but no, you don't want to do too easy ones, right? You if you see that you've mastered the easy problems, you work your way into the medium, guys. So yeah. So yeah, guys, so that's about it. So I want to thank you guys for watching, right? Let me know anything, as you know what I'm saying. If you let me know if everything that I said made sense, guys. If you guys understood what I was trying to say, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys found value, guys, make sure to give me a like and subscribe to the channel, guys. It really helps out a lot, and I would appreciate that a lot, guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.